Very slowly the bodies lift themselves from the earth and disappear. The guru sits and stares with fixed eyes to the place whither he has sent them. Invisible threads join them to his will. Some of them course among the stars. Observe their events, their unknown peoples, their life and their laws. They listen to their talk, read their books, understand their fortunates and foes, their holiness and sins, their piety and evil. Some are mingled with flame and see the creatures of fire, quick and ferocious, eternally fighting, melting and hammering metal in the fire, or in the depths of planets, boiling the water for geysers and springs, melting the rocks and pushing out molten streams over the surface of the earth through the holes in the mountains. Others rush together with the ever elusive and infinitesimally small, transparent creatures of the air and penetrate into the mysteries of their existence and into the purpose of their life. Others slip into the depths of the sea and observe the kingdom of the wise creatures of the water, who transport and spread gentle warmth all over the earth, ruling the winds, waves, and storms. In Erdini, Zu formerly lived Pantia Hututu, who came from Agharta. As he was dying, he told about the time when he lived according to the will of the Guru on a red star in the east, floated in the ice-covered ocean, and flew amongst the stormy fires in the depths of the earth. These are the tales which I learnt in the Mongolian about yurtas of princes in the Lamanite monasteries. These stories were all related in a solemn tone which forbade challenge and doubt. Now we shall dwell into this, the king of the world before the face of God. Y'all want to read that? Go ahead. But I'm finna get strictly to some key points. Well, listen. He continued. Throughout the whole year, the king of the world guides the work of the pendants and gurus of Agharta. Only at times he goes to the temple cave where the embalmed body of his predecessor lies in a black stone coffin. This cave is always dark, but when the king of the world enters, its walls are stripped with fire. From the lid of the coffin appears tongues of flame. The oldest guru stands before him with covered head and face, and with hands folded across his chest. This guru never removes the covering from his face, for his face is a nude skull with living eyes and a tongue that speaks. He is in communion with the souls of all who have gone before. The king of the world prays for a long time, and afterwards approaches the coffin and stretches out his hand. The flames therein burn brighter. The strips of fire on the walls disappear and revive, interlace and form mysterious signs from the alphabet Vatanin. Alright, y'all got to read the rest of that on y'all own. But anyway, the coffin transports brands of scarcely noticeable light. So anyway, this is the king of the world. Alright? This is what you get. The truth about hell. Until then, peace.